Tomorrow into Monday. In fact, let's get to that right now. Winter storm watch in effect for the blue shaded areas. This does include the Providence metro area. Basically, all areas away from the coast. And watch means potential. It does not mean certainty. So potentially 6 inches or more of snow right in this zone here. We'll put up my thoughts on the accumulations coming up in just a few minutes. But we say this all the time. Please do not let this be the last forecast that you see, because likely there will be some changes. Now, we're thinking the most snow will fall to the north and west of Providence, especially north of the Mass Pike. I think ski country will love this system, whether we get mixing or not for southern New England. I think as we get to central and northern New England, more likely in the way of snow, and quite a bit of it. So a foot possible at some spots like Cannon, Loon. We'll keep that updated for you as well. Skiers loving this stuff. I think commuters not liking this quite as much. We'll keep you in the low category today, and then Sunday into Monday into the medium category with the approach of that storm. A layer of snow on the ground here in Newport, and we were talking about this on social media. Judging by a few of the footprints I'm seeing, it looks like a light coating of snow overnight. Same thing here in Narragansett. So most of the snow that you're seeing is from the snow system on Thursday, but keep in mind there could be a light layer of powdery snow on top of some icy patches that you may not see. Something to keep in mind if you're traveling early this morning. Visibility in good shape as the snow has left the building. 25, your temperature in Providence, winds out of the northeast at 7 miles an hour. It's a little bit milder along the south coast with 30 in Westerly, 33 Newport, 30 New Bedford. Currently sitting at a chilly 21 degrees in Smithfield with a wind at 7 miles an hour. Wind's not too bad today, but it's Sunday night into Monday where those winds will start to crank up. There goes the snow on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, and our action is well off to the west. In fact, the storm that we're watching for Sunday into Monday hasn't really formed yet. You can see a lot of energy from the west, but the center of low pressure will essentially form just offshore or maybe right on top of us. Depending on where that sets up, that will determine how much snow we end up getting, and we're just not exactly sure where that center of low pressure will set up, but stay tuned and we'll let you know. 40 is your temperature in Smithfield by around 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. 44 Providence, 44 Newport. So you can see we will do some melting, but what melts could potentially refreeze later on tonight through tomorrow morning, so potentially some more slick spots. I should also point out late tonight through early tomorrow morning, as these temperatures go below freezing, there is a chance of some freezing drizzle, especially for places like Taunton, New Bedford, points east of Providence, so there could be some icy spots early tomorrow morning, even though we're not expecting that next weather maker, the big one, until tomorrow late morning into the afternoon. In fact, we can detail that. You can see 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, there is potentially some of that freezing drizzle moving in from eastern Massachusetts, and then we'll likely start as snow pretty much for everybody, even down to the south coast. I think we start as snow, but then quickly changing over to sleet or rain in Providence. And then it's all about this snow, sleet, rain line. Notice how it kind of hovers back and forth just near the capital city Sunday night. And then by Monday, it drops down to the south. So I think everybody ends as snow. The question is how much moisture is left when the system slides away. But potentially a rough Monday morning commute if this sets up to give us more heavy snow and wind on Monday morning. So in terms of accumulations, the reason I have such a huge range to the north and west of 295 for places like for you in Woonsocket, where we have 3 to 7 potential inches, is that we simply don't know how much sleet and rain will mix in there. If we get less in the way of mixing to sleet and rain, we get closer to 7, maybe 8 inches of snow. If we get more mixing to sleet or rain, we're closer to that lower end. I have 1 to 3 in Providence, coating to around 1 inch of snow along the south coast. But again, that accumulation map will likely change a bit over the next 24 hours, so stay tuned online and on the air. 7-day Futurecast shows once we get through that Sunday and Monday system, a bit of a break, and then potentially a little more snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning. You can always get an updated Futurecast over on our website at WPRI.com.
Now, Eyewitness Sports with Yanni Karak.